We're seeing the virus rapidly spread in Spokane County. It's already infected 37 more people just in the last 24 hours. Mayor Kawash explains what this means for the path forward.
Well, right now, the path forward is trending backwards, and this explains why. The R number, or R naught as they call it, shows us how the virus is spreading in our community. For example, Spokane County has an R naught of 1.5. That means each person infected, as you see there, is infecting at least 1.5 more people on average. Now you can see how that creates a domino effect as they will eventually infect the same amount. Now the goal is for the R naught to be below 1, and we get there by wearing a face mask in public. Spokane County has been in phase 2 of reopening for 40 days now. But instead of getting ready for phase 3, the county is experiencing its own peak of this pandemic. Cases rising at an alarming rate, and more Spokane hospital beds are filled with COVID patients than ever before.
I anticipate we are going to see double our hospitalizations in the next 2 weeks.
Dr. Getz with Providence Health says hospitals are prepared to handle any surge right now, but he says that can change quickly because you also have non-COVID patients in the ER, and the recovery for those with COVID-19 is not a short one.
Our average length of stay has exceeded 2 weeks, and we've seen our longest length of stay in the ICU well over 30 days.
This virus is infecting 20 to 39-year-olds more than anyone else in Spokane. In fact, the median age of Spokane County's last 100 reported cases is just 31 years old. Dr. Bob Lutz says that median age was 54 years old just a couple of weeks ago. You can see how that translates here. People under 40 make up about 800 of Spokane's confirmed cases.
And it's just a matter of time before those people infect somebody who has significant illness that's going to have a hard time with this disease.
Health officials say many of the new infections are coming from workplaces and large gatherings at bars or restaurants. That's why concern is rising over the virus spreading even more this 4th of July weekend.
If you really want to be a patriot, the most patriotic thing you can do right now is wear a mask and protect others in the community.
Dr. Lutz says it's going to take a collective effort for health data to improve in Spokane County.
If we were to get 80% of people to wear face coverings and masks when they are out and about, we would see a decrease in a couple of weeks.
Now, it's also important to know the cases you're seeing reported today are from what happened about 10 to 14 days ago. So the near 200 cases we've seen just in the last 3 days are mostly coming from what people did around June 17th. Aaron?